I saw the man they call the leader of indigenous people, Igbo. They call him Nnamdi what? The Lord told me that what Ojukwu started and stopped, that man will fulfill it.
Hello, my brothers and sisters, my friends, and my well-wishers. I broke on the great well. Now, for still a big GM, second local, say, you brought us on a watching Ketak Open. You want to get him, Konyechi Yazeru, it's a Fanaki, our YouTube channel and subscribe. Go to our Instagram and Facebook page and follow us. And second local, the case of Muhammad Chineke and Joe Nepoku Baire, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, America Marana, Ojukwu, Ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Gebido, Weru Toporia, Listen Jerebe, Mako Yoku, Kama Itonchana, Ijrana Gikirea, the Kisekri Ka, Echefanaki Metro Makana, share button, Mazi Saramozia.
Please, those on the medias and the listening, I want you to concentrate. Watch, listen. The Lord showed me something. What do I see? I saw the man they call the leader of indigenous people, Igbo. They call him Nnamdi what? The Lord told me that what Ojukwu started and stopped, that man will fulfill it. Are you hearing what I'm saying? He may be taking like a giant's word, but listen. God allowed me to say this. That's why I'm on camera. And please, I want you to go viral. Put it on any social media. Let it go wide. Anybody that wants to arrest me, let them come. No. God said I should say this. God told me, he says, it will not take time. I won't say what God did not tell me. He did not tell me specifically this is the word. But what he's told me is, he says, after the regime, that's the way he put it. He said, after this word regime. I said, what? He said, watch after the next word regime. He said, prepare. And when I wake up, the Lord said to me, I've told you, start preparing. Listen, if you are from the east, if you are from what? Start developing your family. Start developing your land. Sister, it won't take long. Are you hearing what I'm saying? I don't know how many years, but the Lord told me that man will fulfill that purpose. And there are 5 people that man will raise. I'm saying this before it will start happening. There are 5 words. And these 5 people will be families. It's not just going to be men. It's going to be both men and their wife and their family. These 5 people this man will raise are the people that will help him to carry this vision. That even after he has fulfilled his purpose and God, they will continue. Are you hearing what I'm saying? That is what God said I should do what? I asked him, can I say it? He said I should do what? To say it. The second one, God did not permit me to say it. I'm going to stop here.